new sound today. Ah.
Ah.
Like ball, ah.
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 So if you look at the ball, that gives you the ah sound. And the letter A has now 3 sounds. The first one is
Ah. A.
What's the key word?
Apple. Ah.
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 Ah. Apple.
A. Ah.
All right, so we're going to practice that, and I'm going to give you a piece of paper. I had a piece of paper right there. Here. I'm going to draw a ball on the paper. You can make it bigger because you're going to write inside of it. Make a big ball. A big ball. Okay, and you are going to listen for the new ah sound, for the letter A. Ah. Okay? Ah. When you hear the ah in the word that I say, you're going to write the letter A. Ah, okay? Fall. Ah, fall, fall. Go ahead. Ball. And. Bald. Aim. Walrus. Tell. Ball. Kickball. Amy. Very good. Now we're going to write the sound 3 times. So can you get the sand? So now we're going to write our new sound in the sand. Go ahead.
A. Ah.
That was a previous one. That was apple, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's try it again. Right. Trace your letter. A.
Ah.
Mm-hmm. So if you're thinking of
Ball.
ah, ah.
Ah.
Okay, go ahead. Trace it again.
A. Ah.
Again.
A. Ah.
Again.
A. Ah.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to write. I'm going to dictate to you some words. Okay, I'm going to tell you some words and you're going to write them. Ready? Pencils up. Pounder ready. Call.
Call. K-A-L.
Pencils up. Fall.
Fall. F-A-L.
Pencils up. Pounder ready. Wall.
U-A-L.
So when you do your pounder ready, say the word and then flip. Pencils up. Pounder ready. Salt.
Salt. Salt.
Pencils up. Pounder ready. Stall.
Stall. St-A-L.
Okay. Let's take a look at your words. And I've given you a couple more. So let's go ahead and Read the words that we have.
Call, fall, haul, maul, ball, wall, tall, small, stall, squall, salt, malt.
Very good. Now let's practice our syllabication. Remember your rules, and I'll walk you through the patterns, okay? So go to your first word, and I want you to, let's see, underline the first vowels, first two vowels. Now write the V underneath them, draw your bridge, and what do you have in the middle? I have one consonant, so I'm going to label C, and I'm going to try, I need a new pencil, try the first vowel, first rule. I'm going to cut it in front. I will look up and see what kind of pattern I see, and that is an open pattern, open syllable, because it ends in an E, a vowel, and then the second syllable ends in a consonant, so that's a closed syllable, and I'll read it B, because it's open, began, that works. Okay, the next one, find your first two vowels, the A and the I, write a V underneath, draw your bridge, look at what's in the middle. I have one consonant, so I'll write C, and try your first pattern. So I will divide the syllable before the consonant. So now I have an open vowel, open syllable, ends in a vowel, and the second one is a closed syllable, it ends in a consonant. So this would be stay-tick, stay-tick. Stay-tick, does that sound right? Stay-tick? No, stay-tick, I don't know what that is. So I'm going to try the second pattern, and I'm going to divide the syllable after the T. So now that changes my first syllable to a closed syllable because it ends in a consonant, and my second syllable also ends in a consonant. So this will be static, 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 static. Yes, that sounds right. Okay, let's go to your third. Go to your third word. Okay, all right. Find the first two vowels and underline them. Write your V underneath. What do you have in the middle? I have one consonant. Oops, nope, I need to draw the bridge first. So connect your vowels, draw the bridge. I have one consonant, so I'm going to write C, and I'm going to divide before the consonant. So this is an open syllable, and the second one is a closed syllable. Nope, that's also an open syllable because that ends in a vowel. So this would be a long vowel, me, new, menu, menu. Does that sound right, menu? Yeah, I don't think so. So try your second pattern. Okay, so I will just erase all that. I will divide it after the N. And so now the first one is a closed syllable and the second one is an open syllable because it ends in the vowel. So it is menu, 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 menu. Right, that's the word. Menu, that's the word, right? Good job. Okay, now I have a visual and then I have the auditory separated. Now we're going to review our red words. Let's start out with, I'm going to show you a word, and you will arm tap it for me, okay? You read it and arm tap it. Own. O-W-N. Own. Even. E-V-E-N. Even. About. A-B-O-U-T. About. Very good. Okay. Excuse me. Now I'm going to say the word, and you will arm tap it for me. Say the word, arm tap it for me. As. A-S, as. All. A-L-L, all. Or. O-R, or. Very good. Okay, we have a new red word today. The word is gone. Gone. They have gone home. Can you use the word in a sentence? Where have they gone? Okay, so take out your red screen. And we have our red word paper. Okay, actually you can go ahead and write your name and put the date. Put the paper over the screen. And we are going to write the red word on our screen, gone. Where is the... So here's the word, gone. Say the word, say the letters as you write them. G, O, N, E, gone. Okay, now go ahead and trace it again. G, O, N, E, gone. One more time. G, O, N, E, gone. Very good. All right, so while you're looking at the word, let's load and arm tap the word out. Okay, ready? Load, arm position ready. Load, gone. G-O-N-E, gone. Ready? Load, gone. G-O-N-E, gone. And one more time, load, gone. G-O-N-E, gone. Okay, now let's go back to our red word that we've traced. And you're going to trace it with your finger over the letters that you've written. G, O, N, E, gone. All right, let's do that 2 more times. G, O, N, E, gone. And one more time. G, O, N, E, gone. Very good. All right, so let's skywrite this word. Fingers out in the sky. G, O, N, E, gone. 2 more times. G, O, N, E, gone. G, O, N, E, gone. Okay. All right, now on your lined paper that you have right here, we're going to write that word 3 more times using your red crayon. G-O-N-E, gone. G-O-N-E, gone. G-O-N-E, gone. All right, so let's fold this paper. All right, so now we're not looking at what we've already written. Can you write it from memory? G-O-N-E, gone. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to dictate to you 2 sentences that use the red word. I will say the first sentence 2 times. You will pound it, pound out the sentence, say the sentence, and write it on the line paper. Okay? So the sentence is, was her colt gone? Was her colt gone? Ready? Pound. Was her colt gone? Okay, and write. Okay, second sentence. The red ball was gone. The red ball was gone. Ready? Pound. The red ball was gone. Okay, so now I'm going to have you read it from the clean copy. Was her colt gone? The red ball was gone. Okay, now check your sentences. Did you remember the capital letter and the question mark for the end? The capital T and the period? Okay, very good.